So sometime in 2023, we made a video about basically how to navigate the sign up form of Bamboo, aka the Invest Bamboo app. At the time, the issue that a lot of people who were signing up on Bamboo were having was not being able to actually, well, sign up successfully with an email address. So you had this case of people entering their email and it's telling them invalid email address or invalid login. I can't remember the exact error code at the time, but I did make a video about it. And I later realized that the issue with this is the white space that comes after the email address. So if you're signing up on the Bamboo app for the first time and you enter your email address, but there is a white space after the email. Let's say your name is Michael Schofield. If your email address is michaelschofield@gmail.com, and then there's a white space, just one white space or two or three, it doesn't matter. If there is a space after that email address, you will not be able to sign up on the Bamboo app. I've made a video about this a very long time ago. Over the course of 1 year, Bamboo has revamped their app for the most part, and I was really hoping that they were going to fix this, but they did not fix it. Now, what happens when you're signing up on Bamboo is it tells you that an error occurred, right? And I recently realized, and this is something I've also tested with my friends, I recently realized that it's most likely either a network issue or it's the white space issue all over again. And that's why I'm telling you this story. So how do you navigate that? How do you sign up on the Bamboo app successfully? Well, if you're signing up and there are no spaces, right? You put your phone number, no space after the last digit of the phone number. You put your email address, your first name, last name, no spaces after all of that, right? It's just your name, no white space. And it's showing you that an error occurred. The second thing you would need to check for is your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, I would advise you to turn off your Wi-Fi and basically use your mobile data. If you're on mobile data, the error is coming up, then connect to Wi-Fi and try. But in most cases, it's not really a network issue. It's most likely the white space issue. And that's why I'm making this video, because the people who have reached out to me to tell me, hey, Magnus, I cannot sign up on the Bamboo app, I usually just tell them, make sure there are no spaces. And immediately they make sure there are no spaces, it works fine. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you are having any other issue with the Bamboo app. I make videos like this about money, investing, and technology. Feel free to follow me for more videos like this. And don't forget to like this video. I'll see you around. Bye.